before you watch the video. Subscribe the channel now. Yes, right now. After its debut in Tokyo back in October, the Honda Sports F concept is now ready to draw in crowds from Europe thanks to its retro-futuristic design and low center of gravity. The Sports F concept is joined in Geneva by the Urban F concept, following its premiere in Frankfurt last year, as well as by the NeuV, first shown at the Consumer Electronics Show in 2017. Yet, none of the other two are meant to be sporty. The Sports F is a two-door, two-seat driver's car, with a long bonnet, round LED headlights, square taillights, an illuminated badge, cameras for wing mirrors, a compact interior and ultra-thin A-pillars. The Japanese automaker described it as a concept model which combined F performance and AI inside a compact body, aiming to provide the user with a sense of unity while inside the vehicle. It measures 3,895 mm long, bringing it pretty close to the 3,950 mm Mazda MX-5. With rumors of a 2020 launch date, we can only hope that Honda manages to achieve all those things with regards to this concept, giving customers the chance to get behind the wheel of an MX-5-sized fun mobile, boasting what's been characterized as a highly responsive electric power unit. As for the AI part, the Sports F concept comes with Honda's automated network assistant on board, which is where the previously mentioned sense of unity will come from. Overall, while this car's exterior design is by no means breathtaking, if the automaker can make it really fun to drive at a reasonable price, we reckon there won't be a scarcity in clientele.